Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox and set up the all-new H96 Max Android TV. So this here is a great replacement for the Firestick or the Google Chromecast. It is powered by Google as well, and it's got all these apps built into it. Let's open it up. Put that aside for now. All right, so we got a user manual, HDMI extender, which is great. If you're behind the TV, you want to get better Wi-Fi, I do recommend always to use this, no matter which type of stick you have. Power, it's a USB-C. Remote control, actually looks like a nice remote. It's got almost every single button you could think of. And here's the stick. It's a lot smaller than the Amazon stick. Got a lot of vent holes here in the back as well. There's your USB and your USB-C. Wondering if we put a USB flash drive here and we can use it as storage. But we're going to be testing it out in this video. That doesn't seem like a bad remote. Okay, let's hook it up and test it out. Android TV. So it's booting up for the first time. Okay, so we have to pair the remote to the stick. So we're going to follow the instructions on the screen here. So we're going to hit the left and right button at the same time. We're just going to hold it until we see a red light. So let's do this now. So I got the light on and there we go. Okay, so now it's connected. So once you get the remote set up, now we can hide the stick. You have to remember, do not hide the stick until you get the remote set up. Okay, first things first, once it loads up, looks like YouTube's preloaded. There's your app list, favorites. We need to head over to the gear to connect to internet. Okay, right now here is network. List of Wi-Fi's. We're going to connect to our Wi-Fi. Okay, so once you're connected to the internet, now let's go to app list. So here are the pre-installed apps. So we got the Play Store if you want to download some more apps. Okay, so this remote does have a mic button. So let's test this out. Okay, so I pressed the mic button and I got this pop up. So I'm going to hit allow. All right, so now let's test the mic out. Open YouTube. It looks like it opens it right away. Okay, I just popped in my USB. I just want to check to see if it will support 4K. So let's head over to right here on the top. Let's go to apps. I saw, here it is, file manager. Let's click on it. Here we go. USB. I know the 8K won't work. So here's my 4K. Let's test it out. Press OK. No buffering, no freezing. It's actually holding up. Let's exit out of here. Let's try the second one. Loads up pretty quick. Okay, it definitely supports 4K. Let's exit out of here. Let's set it up so that we are a developer. This way we'll be able to download any third-party apps or pretty much anything that we want. In order to do this, we have to head over to Settings, device preferences, about. Now if we go all the way to the bottom right here where it says build, so we're going to press the OK button 5 times until you see the message at the bottom. And there you go. Now you are a developer. Let's exit out of here. The other thing I want to mention is once you add all your apps onto your home screen, if you want to move it around, it's as simple as going to the app, press and hold the OK button. You're going to get this pop-up. Just head down to move, and now you can move it wherever you like. Press OK to lock it in place. And you can do this with any of these apps. So for this little stick, this is actually not that bad. I do have my USB at the bottom of it, and it works great. Like, it loads everything up pretty quickly. Very impressed. So the mic button works pretty good. These quick buttons at the bottom work pretty good too. You know what, Firestick, gotta watch out. For the price of this stick, this is actually pretty good. And it's powered by Google, which is another great thing. You can download third-party apps. I've downloaded a couple of them, and so far they're working great. I see no buffering whatsoever. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this little stick, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you have any questions, please put a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.